Introducing the luxurious Geely Homtruck, a groundbreaking electric semi-truck designed to make drivers feel at home on the road. This futuristic vehicle offers various powertrain options, including a range extender, methanol hybrid, and pure electric system with battery swap capabilities, making it one of the most cutting-edge and eco-friendly commercial vehicles available. With features like L4 autonomous driving, 5G V2X connectivity, and over-the-air software upgrades, the Homtruck is truly ahead of its time. Inside, it boasts a bed, kitchen, tea maker, and washing machine, ensuring a comfortable and spacious cockpit. Sales begin in early 2024 in China and other global markets. While pricing is yet to be announced, it's expected to be competitive with other electric semi-trucks like the Tesla Semi. Imagine having a luxurious one, 200-square-foot home on wheels, and you'll start to think of Will Smith's two-story motorhome. This incredible trailer serves as his lavish retreat while filming movies, complete with all the high-end amenities you'd expect. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a breakfast bar. The living room features a large sofa, armchairs, and a cozy fireplace. The bedroom offers a king-sized bed and a private bathroom with a walk-in shower, soaking tub, and dual vanity. The real showstopper is the 30-person screening room with a state-of-the-art projector, sound system, and bar. Additional features include a gym, office, and laundry room. Thanks to a hydraulic system, the roof rises to create a second floor, providing extra living space. Currently used by Smith's production company, Overbrook Entertainment, this trailer is not just a mobile home, but also a venue for promotional events and product launches. The Marchi EleMMent Palazzo redefines luxurious motorhomes, offering a mobile mansion experience. Imagine a spacious living room with a bar and wine cabinet, a master bedroom with a royal bed, and a spa-like bathroom with a rainfall shower. The highlight? The Sky Lounge, a rooftop deck that transforms into a nightclub with a canopy, furniture, heated floors, and a sound system. This ultimate party machine comes with a hefty price tag of $3 million, making it the most luxurious and expensive RV in the world. Ideal for those who seek style and comfort on the road, the Palazzo demands a fortune in fuel, maintenance, and parking, making it perfect for the truly discerning traveler. Looking for a luxurious motorhome that's more than just a vehicle? Meet the Auf Promotion Truck, an innovative solution that can transform from a standard truck into a spacious mobile exhibition showroom or event space in just 20 minutes. Crafted by Bratti, a renowned German company specializing in custom-made trucks, this unique vehicle boasts a specialized 6-axle chassis and a hydraulic system that effortlessly unfolds into a massive 130 square meters platform. Fully customizable with LED screens, sound systems, furniture, and branding options, the Promotion Truck is perfect for product launches, trade fairs, road shows, and other promotional events. Available for rent or purchase, this versatile marvel starts at €1,500,000, offering unparalleled luxury and functionality on the road. For those seeking luxury and space on their travels, the Adria Coral XL is the ultimate choice. Designed with big families and party enthusiasts in mind, this luxurious motorhome offers a variety of layouts and features to cater to your every need. Whether it's the Access Plus or Supreme version, you'll enjoy Adria's renowned body construction, innovative insulation, and heating systems, along with flexible lighting and storage solutions. Inside, you'll find a multimedia wall with a digital control panel and sound system, a fixed over-cab bed, and a spacious living area for relaxation. With seating for up to 7 people and well-equipped kitchen and bathroom facilities, the Coral XL ensures a comfortable journey every time. Available with Citroën or Fiat engines and varying body lengths, prices for Coral XL models range from $76,500 to $131,270, depending on specifications. Experience the epitome of luxury travel with the Tiffin Allegro Bus. This class A diesel motorhome, built on the Powerglide chassis, promises a smooth and stable ride, with 4 unique floor plans to choose from, including the 45 FP with a bath and a half. The Allegro Bus caters to every need. Equipped with cutting-edge technology like the Eclipse module and Starlink Pro Wi-Fi, along with a powerful generator, it ensures a seamless journey. Inside, indulge in handcrafted cabinets, heated porcelain tile floors, and opulent decor options. Customizable exterior paint layouts add a personal touch. The Allegro Bus isn't just a motorhome, it's a symbol of luxury, innovation, and capability, priced between $555,630 and $669,800 depending on the model and features. Enter the world of luxury and functionality with the EF Procycling Truck. More than just a vehicle, it's a mobile haven for the team, doubling as a workshop and sponsor display area. This state-of-the-art machine effortlessly conquers any terrain, be it the smooth roads of France or the rugged gravel of Kansas. Equipped with essential amenities like a generator, power washer, and water pump, it ensures the team's every need is met. Inside, enjoy the comforts of home with a fully equipped kitchen, coffee maker, and inviting lounge space. Priced at just $199,999, the EF Procycling Truck is the ultimate bike truck, combining luxury, versatility, and functionality in one remarkable package. Step into the world of luxury travel with the Morelo Grand Empire 26T. This motorhome redefines opulence with its innovative design and top-of-the-line features. Experience unparalleled comfort and sophistication as you journey in this mobile marvel. With a spacious interior, premium soundproofing, and cozy heated floors, every aspect of the Grand Empire is designed for luxury living. The fully equipped kitchen, luxurious bathroom, and comfortable bedroom ensure that you have all the comforts of home on the road. Plus, with advanced technology like a counter-rotating steering system, you'll enjoy a smooth and effortless driving experience. Priced at €1,200,000, the Morelo Grand Empire 26T is the epitome of lavish motorhome travel, offering a level of luxury that is simply unmatched. Experience the epitome of luxury travel with the Double Pop-Outs Motorhome. This innovative RV features 2 slide-out portions, providing ample floor space and flexible furniture arrangements. Whether you're hitting the open road or camping in style, this motorhome offers all the comforts of home on wheels. Prices for the Double Pop-Outs Motorhome vary depending on factors like size, brand, and condition, with options ranging from $100,000 to over $500,000. When purchasing a used model, be sure to consider the vehicle's maintenance and repair history. With its spacious design and luxurious amenities, the Double Pop-Outs Motorhome is the ultimate choice for discerning travelers seeking unparalleled comfort and convenience on their adventures. Imagine this a hotel room on wheels that you can hitch to any vehicle and take wherever adventure calls. That's the magic of the Hitch Hotel. In just minutes, this innovative inflatable trailer transforms from a compact box to a spacious cabin, offering you comfort and convenience wherever you roam. Elevated off the ground, it provides stunning views and ample space for relaxation. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country journey, camping under the stars, or enjoying a weekend getaway, the Hitch Hotel is your perfect companion. Plus, it's affordable, with early adopters enjoying significant savings off the retail price of $4,499. Don't wait any longer. Hitch up the Hitch Hotel and elevate your travel experience to new heights. Next is Prevost H3-45, where comfort meets elegance in the world of motorhomes. Renowned for its smooth ride and quiet performance, this sleek vehicle redefines travel standards. Powered by a robust Volvo D13 engine and equipped with LED headlights and advanced e-mirrors, the Prevost H3-45 ensures a safe and efficient journey. Inside, Cloud 1 seating, Enclosed parcel racks and customizable RGB cabin lighting create a spacious and luxurious ambience. Although investing in the Prevost H3-45 may require a substantial budget, ranging from $1.6 million to $2.5 million for new models or $38,000 to $500,000 for used ones, the unparalleled experience it offers makes every penny worth it. Experience luxury travel like never before with the Prevost H3-45. Lastly, let's talk about the Airstream Bambi, the epitome of compact luxury in the world of travel trailers. With its sleek and fashionable design, this silver bullet doesn't just catch the eye, it sets the standard for style and functionality. Despite its compact size, it's ingeniously designed to maximize space and comfort, promising an unforgettable travel experience. Whether you're towing it behind an SUV or maneuvering through tight spots, the Airstream Bambi is your ideal travel companion. Prices for a brand new model range from $45,000 to over $60,000, but every dollar spent ensures top-notch quality, durability, and elegance. Don't settle for ordinary travels. Choose the Airstream Bambi and embark on your luxurious adventures with unparalleled style and comfort.